Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to focus more on the lower body. We're going to work the ankle, the knees, the hip, and also get into the spine. So if you like the sound of it, join me today and I hope you enjoy this session. And as always, if you like my YouTube videos and you think you might benefit from longer routines, or maybe you want to join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. I'll leave more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, then tuck your tailbone in to help you open and relax the lower back. Just take a moment here to feel the difference. If you're standing like this, or if you bring your tailbone forward and you feel that nice release through your lower back. You keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed, your chest relaxed, your belly open. So take a few minutes here to adjust your alignment, just to feel your body, get comfortable standing up. And to settle the mind, to bring the mind into the body, let's take a couple of deep breaths. Exhale. Drawing our attention inward. Relaxing and softening the muscles of the face, the neck, the shoulders. Just take a couple of those, bring in those relaxing vibes. Connecting to your breath, connecting to the present moment. Set the intention to be present throughout today's practice. One more time, breathe in and soften, exhale. Very good. From here, come up on your toes and feel free to walk in a small circle. Whether you're on the mat, whether you're in the garden, just walk on your toes. Spread them out and wide. Make sure you feel the body weight. You can be very creative, work in different shapes. And make an effort here to send your attention to your feet. So stay focused on what you're doing, feeling the sensations in your feet. Feel those little muscles working, feel your bones, feel the tendons. Good. And then we'll switch and we'll walk on our heels. Good, good, good. Again, notice what sensations you're getting. If that feels uncomfortable, you don't have to be harsh on yourself. Just shifting the weight towards your heels. And see if you can walk like that. And then we'll switch to the outside. It's getting a little funky. So trying to massage the lateral side, the outside of your feet. Good. And then last one. I call it a duck walk. So try to bring the weight in. Again, it doesn't have to be intense. Really enjoy yourself. Good. And then flat. Just tap it in. Really feeling the activation coming through your feet. Good. Slow it down. Shake loose. We're going to feel all the sensations at the end of the practice. We carry on. Bring your feet together. Go down. Hands are planted directly on your knees, and we're going to circle. And here it's not about the pace, it's about the quality of the rotation. So connecting the mind to the muscles. Feel your knee joints kind of breathing, moving. It helps to release that fluid, hydrating the joints. And let's change, going the other way. Go, buddy. It's getting warm. Very good. Last one. And then from here, I want you to gently push out without locking your knees too much, just to stretch the back of the knee. We have quite a bit of important points located here that are nourishing the spine and the bones. So stretch out and then move forward. Stretch out and move forward. Just a few more times here. Last one. Forward, straighten up, and slowly stand up. Same here, shake loose. Good. Feet parallel. We're moving on to the hips. So take your time here to slow down, to connect and feel your hip joints, the muscles and tendons. And let's do it the other way, changing the direction. Very good. Bring yourself back to center. Assume the position, dropping your tailbone down and locking your knees. And then bring your feet together. Get yourself nice and rooted. And we're gonna open the leg one at a time. So here it's not about the range, it's about that stability, finding your center, rooting through the leg and opening through the hip. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you relax. Or feel free to breathe normally without kind of stressing yourself out that you have to breathe a certain way. Good stuff. And one more time. Open and relax. Very good. Shake it to the side. Free up your body. Relax your muscles. Okay, good stuff. Feet parallel. We're going to finish with a spinal wave. A fantastic exercise to work on your lower body, to find mobility through the lower back and your hips. So a lot of the time this area gets quite stiff and kind of reducing the circulation, energy flow. So you want to keep that area moving, make it supple, make it mobile. Spinal wave is a good way to do that. So adjust yourself and then dropping into the knees, dropping into the feet. We're slowly moving the pelvis forward and then continue opening through the front of the body, chest open, and then round your back. And as if you're about to sit on a cushion, so your lower back lets go and feels nice and relaxed. And then you repeat, moving forward, chest open, and now the back opens and you relax. So imitating the wave that is traveling upwards. So at your own pace, listening to your own body, we begin to move slowly, generating those waves. So because we started with the lower body exercises, you feel your lower body kind of a lot more. So I want you to focus on your feet, on your knees, on your hips, on your lower back and your spine, more than your shoulders and neck. Remind yourself to stay relaxed. Allow your muscles to let go of that grip. So almost like softening, loosening up. Let me show the side view. And see if you can find softness as you do this exercise. So make it less mechanical, joints, muscles, and more fluid, more supple. Begin to slow down. Come to a comfortable Qigong stance. Open up through your joints, relax in the muscles, aligning your bone structure, aligning your spine. And take a moment here to notice how you feel. My eyes already closed because I'm all focused on the inside. So if it feels good, you do the same thing. Feet, knees, hips, lower back and spine. Good. And then take a nice deep breath in. Bring in the good chi into the body. Close just below the abdomen, below the belly button. And finish. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. I hope you found this lower body routine helpful. And as always, to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. We're growing this community. It's absolutely beautiful. And until next time, I wish you great health. Keep well, and I'll see you soon.